Hello everyone, I'm Abdulrazak Adam and I'm from Nigeria. First of all, I would like to thank the Defense Headquarters, Nigerian Defense Headquarters, for the opportunity to be here. My commitment in development in cybersecurity is something I truly value, and I'm glad to be part of it. Coming to Craw Security has been a very impactful experience. Coming to Craw, I came with an interest in ethical hacking, but now this college has turned my interest into capacity. I've learned how to analyze networks, vulnerability assessment, system hacking, Wi-Fi hacking. I also know how attackers think and how to protect my organization against attackers. What really stands out for me is the way Craw teaches. The trainers are very practical. On my first day, we already started the hands-on training and practicals. I was exposed to labs, the whole of the class. We interacted and we learned from each other. I personally have really learned a lot in this short period I've been in Craw Security, and I appreciate the trainers, the counselors, and the director, Mr. Mohit Yadav, for their hospitality and for their way of teaching. If I don't understand something, they take me back. When I ask questions, they take me back, explain to me properly in such a way that I would understand. Even during the weekends, we come for classes, and after the end of classes, you can still call your instructor and ask him when you don't understand something, and he's going to make it clear. The environment is also very conducive. Prior to coming to Craw Security, I have a BSc in cybersecurity, masters in cybersecurity. But what I've learned in Craw, I'm rest assured that it's better than every other thing I've learned before, because I know more of theoretical knowledge, but now I'm well grounded in practical knowledge, and I'm very confident to go out there and showcase what I've learned in this prestigious college. I am honored to be named as the best graduating student certified ethical hacker in this badge. I see it as an encouragement and a push to continue learning, to continue what I've been doing and the effort I've been putting into being a real certified hacker. I would like to use this opportunity to thank everyone that has made this possible. I would like to thank Craw Security and my family and the whole of Nigerian Armed Forces for making this possible. Without you, I wouldn't be here. And I look forward to making good use of the knowledge I've gained here. Thank you very much.